8:58. We're gonna go pheasant hunting. We have some friends with this time. I told you guys about them. They're here. It's time to go.
Look at that. 2 shots for birds, right?
Yeah. 2 shots for 3 birds.
Yeah. I'll double my first shot.
Yep. There goes one. And this bird. Easy, Pooh. There goes a rooster. And whoa. Easy, Pooh. Dang. I should have been able to hit that. I just wasn't ready. Rooster! No! 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 Oh my goodness! Oh, he died!
Yeah!
Yeah, baby! Good dog, Pooh.
That was awesome. I thought I hit it. Heart shot.
Yep. Girl. Bring it here. Arrow, here. Arrow, here. Here. Never bring it back to my feet, do ya? Good girl. My bird. Oh. I know, I couldn't believe that. No! No!
Nice.
There you go. Good dog, Pooh. Yeah, we might be running one. Where? Where you see him?
He's right there, yeah. No way. No way. Get him! No. Dude, did I actually just do... There, he's dead. Oh, we have sucked today. What is wrong? Good dog. Pooh, let's go. Here. Good boy. Heel. Good boy. Here. Heel. Good boy. Ah, come on. I shouldn't let you do that. Look at those spurs.
Holy crap.
He's not old, he's young. He's just, those are just genetics.
Oh.
I shot his spurs off.
Hunter and I apologize for that very poor shooting on our behalf. Wow.
Not good.
We're gonna get some lunch, go to the next spot. I don't think we need any more intro.
I got mine.
Sue, I got mine.
I got mine. Good girl, Sue. Dead bird poo. They're old too. They're nice birds. Well, young, but they look nice. There's another one.
Is that a rooster?
No, it was a hen. That makes the whole trip worth it, don't it? Watching Sue do that.
And did you get that on video?
Yep.
Oh,
Probably ran in. Oh. Where'd Arrow go? Who's got one? Tracks right here. There's a bird. There's a bird. Huh? She's still on point. Arrow, she's right over there. There. That was a good cluster. Sue's right here and Arrow's right in front of me. There's a bird. Where is she? Up to the right? She's been holding it for a minute. Jeez, Arrow. Easy, Pooh. Oh, there we go, Pooh. Easy. She's cockeyed. Yep. It's right here. Are you the runner? Dude, why am I so bad today? I don't know what's wrong with me. You got to take the rest of the shots for the rest of the day. I can't hit number 3. Did I shoot to the left of it?
I don't know. I think you hit it.
I think I did too. It might be dead. It was steel. But like that's like a dead. Get him. Get him, Sue. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yep, she got him. Good girl. Good. Yes. Good girl.
Woo, good
Got that on
girl.
film?
Yeah.
Good girl.
Awesome. 60 feet.
Oh, yeah.
23 feet. 18. Oh, she's right here. Good girl. Good girl.
What happened to the camera?
I think it died. But the bird did too.
Too many feathers. There you go.
All right.
We got the dogs in here. Oh, look, a fresh shave. Because that's, I don't know. I don't know what to do anymore. I am missing. And missing. And missing.
Ah, shoot. Ah, man.
And missing. Are you kidding me? Anyway, just wrapped up editing that video. We're gonna have more coming. Tomorrow's going to be miserable. And I'm probably gonna miss more. But I did shave up a little bit, so hopefully that helps. That was my theory to why I couldn't hit anything. So yeah, here we go. Here's 2 pups. Pooh's waiting for me in bed. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.